Hi honeys, how's you all's day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm getting ready to make me a smoothie. Pineapple, raspberry, and apple cider smoothie. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, this is what I'm starting out with. You start out with your liquid. This is what I'm using, apple cider. I keep trying to say apple cider vinegar, but no, I'm not putting no vinegar in my smoothie. So there's no sugar added, just the natural sweetness of the apples. So shaking it up, because this stuff gets the mother in it, just like the apple cider vinegar. And if you let this sit long enough, it'll turn into apple cider vinegar. Okay, ain't no weakling. Not that much. I don't have any ice, but I do have frozen fruit. Okay, I'll be adding my pineapple chunks from Walmart. I don't want to make that much. That's good. And my red raspberries. They're frozen. I'm using my Blendtec blender. I had this for a long time. It actually comes with either 7 or 8 year warranty. And I've already replaced the blender jar. So the warranty is long gone now. So I'm gonna push the smoothie setting. Okay. Look like it's trying to make sherbet or something. And I didn't want to make this much. Then we pour it into a glass. Nice and smooth, no raspberry pits, no, pineapple fibers. You know what being pineapple. Let me taste it. Got a big straw from some restaurant. Look at that. Need a picture of my well, that's good. Okay, so I want to see me taste this. Okay. This is so good and thick, refreshing, juicy, kind of tart. Gets from the pineapple. This is really good, y'all. Okay. If you like this smoothie video using my Blendtec blender, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. There's no added sugar in here. That's what makes it nice. It has the natural sugar. Bye, y'all. Here's another shot I'm going to use for my thumbnail. And after tasting this more, it tastes like a raspberry frappe. You know, you can use raspberry sherbet and ginger ale or 7-Up. So that's what this tastes like. It's so good. And I believe kids would like this too. They wouldn't even know it was healthy. Okay, bye.